Picture this: a volcanic mountain rising from the Canary Islands, fierce and untamed. Now imagine that raw power channeled into a car that's set to shake up the electric SUV world. With 489 horsepower, a range-extending twist, and styling that's straight out of a sci-fi thriller, the 2026 Cupra Tindaya isn't just another EV. It's a rebellious statement on wheels. If you're curious how Cupra is blending Spanish flair with cutting-edge tech to challenge the big players, buckle up. We're about to explore every explosive detail. Hey folks, welcome back to Auto Vision Hub, your ultimate spot for the hottest automotive news, future concepts, model showdowns, and everything that revs up the car enthusiast in you. I'm Alex Rivera, and today we're spotlighting the Cupra Tindaya, a bold concept that's evolving into a 2026 production powerhouse. Unveiled at the IAA Mobility 2025 in Munich, this isn't your average crossover. It's Cupra's largest and most ambitious ride yet, named after the sacred Tindaya mountain in Fuerteventura. We'll break down its wild design, innovative powertrain, interior tech, performance creds, and how it fits into the evolving EV landscape. All based on official reveals and specs. No test drives here, just pure analysis. Let's start with Cupra's story to see why the Tindaya is such a game changer. Cupra burst onto the scene in 2018 as Seat's performance arm, but it quickly carved its own identity with edgy designs and sporty vibes. Think models like the Formentor crossover or the Tavascan EV, all infused with that rebellious Spanish spirit. The name Cupra draws from cup racing, hinting at their motorsport roots, and they've been pushing boundaries ever since. Now, with the Tindaya, Cupra is aiming higher, targeting a younger urban crowd who crave emotion and passion in their drives. As Cupra's head of design Jorge Diaz puts it, this concept is about a radical rethinking of the brand's free spirit. It's not just a car, it's a manifesto against bland autonomy, emphasizing no drivers, no Cupra. So how does that translate to the Tindaya? Let's zoom in on the exterior. The Tindaya's design is polarizing, and that's exactly the point. At 472 meters long, it's Cupra's biggest yet, blending shooting brake elegance with crossover toughness. The front end is a masterpiece of aggression, a shark-like nose with sharp parametric lines that converge in a messy but cohesive frenzy. Slim headlights flank a thick black stripe, under which sits a digital screen that animates like a waking beast, swirling with fire-like patterns before syncing with the LED lights. Triangular motifs repeat in the taillights, complete with an illuminated Cupra logo that glows menacingly. The profile screams dynamism, with notched rear wheel arches, deep flank cutouts clad in sustainable materials, and a fastback silhouette capped by a 3D printed aluminum spine running along the roof. This spine isn't just for show. It defines the car's skeleton and allows the roof to open, evoking a sense of freedom. Painted in a matte metallic gray that echoes the warm Atlantic tones near the real Tindaya mountain, it's accented with Cupra's signature copper highlights on edges and lights. Massive 23-inch wheels with parallel spokes fill the arches, and the overall stance is animalistic, twisting muscles under the skin. As the designers describe it, no pop-up spoilers here. Instead, a split-roof spoiler and rear diffuser add to the aerodynamic drama. Critics might call it over the top, but in a world of minimalist EVs, the Tindaya stands out as a bold outlier. Available as a concept now, but production versions could tone down the suicide doors while keeping that edgy vibe. Moving inside, the Tindaya's cabin is a driver-focused haven that screams innovation. It's a 2+2 setup, with body-hugging bucket seats cantilevered off a central spine, making them appear to float above the floor. Materials are sustainable. Think 3D knitted surfaces, neoprene, recycled fabrics, and organic textures with tripophobic bumps for a tactile experience. The central console runs full length, dividing the space dramatically, and at its heart is the Jewel, a glass prism controller that orchestrates light, sound, and digital visuals across 3 modes. Immersive for relaxed cruising, Meta for connected experiences, and Rider for pure performance thrills. Ditching traditional wheels, there's a yoke-style steering with gaming-inspired controls. Physical buttons for quick toggles, no-touch hassles. A massive 24-inch curved digital cluster dominates the dash, handling everything from nav to media without a separate infotainment screen. It's minimalist in controls, but maximal in immersion, with dynamic lighting that shifts with modes. Storage? Expect practical cubbies and a decent boot, though exact figures are concept stage. Tech includes seamless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and advanced driver aids like adaptive cruise and lane assist, all wrapped in a cockpit that prioritizes emotion over automation. As Cupra says, it's about reconnecting with the drive. Now, the real excitement, the Tindaya's Powertrain. This isn't a pure EV or plug-in hybrid, it's a range extender electric vehicle, REEV, blending the best of both worlds. At its core is a large battery pack delivering around 300 kilometers of pure electric range, powered by dual electric motors, one per axle for all-wheel drive. Total output? A whopping 365 kilowatts, or about 489 horsepower, making it Cupra's quickest model yet. The twist is the 1.5-liter four-cylinder petrol engine, which acts solely as a generator to recharge the battery on the go, extending the total range beyond 1,000 kilometers. No direct drive from the engine, it's all-electric torque for that instant punch. Built on Volkswagen Group's upcoming Scalable Systems platform, SSP, it promises efficiency and scalability. Charging? Fast DC capabilities, those specifics are under wraps. Modes via the Joule let you switch seamlessly. Go full EV for city runs or engage the extender for long hauls. It's Cupra's nod to practical electrification without sacrificing fun. Performance-wise, the Tindaya delivers thrills. 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.1 seconds. That's quicker than the top-spec Formentor VZ5. Top speed? Likely north of 200 km/h with handling tuned for agility despite the size. The AWD setup ensures grip, and lightweight composites like B-Comp panels, a greener alternative to carbon fiber, keep weight in check. Around tracks or twisty roads, it promises razor-sharp responses, thanks to torque vectoring and adaptive suspension. Aerodynamics play a role too, with that sculpted body slicing through air efficiently. In EV mode, it's silent and smooth. With the extender, a subtle engine note adds character without overwhelming the experience. How does it stack up? As a potential Formentor successor, the Tindaya is larger and more versatile, outpacing it in acceleration and range. Against rivals like the Tesla Model Y, it offers similar EV range but with the extender's peace of mind for road trips, plus way more personality. Or compared to the Audi Q4 e-tron, the Tindaya's design is edgier, power stronger, and that REV setup unique in the segment. It's not the cheapest, but for those wanting Spanish flair in an EV world, it's compelling. Cupra's expanding globally, eyeing markets like the Middle East, so availability could grow. On pricing and rollout, while concept now, a production Tindaya is eyed for 2026-2027, starting around $50,000, $60,000 in Europe, roughly $55,000, $65,000 USD. Exact US plans are unclear, but global expansion means it could hit more shores. Deliveries might start mid-2026 with options for customizations like colors and wheels. Cupra backs it with solid warranties, focusing on low-maintenance EV perks. And that's the Cupra Tindaya, a concept turned reality that's redefining what an electric crossover can be. Bold, driver-centric, and endlessly exciting. Whether it's the Volcanic-inspired design or that clever range extender, it's proof Cupra's not afraid to rebel. Loved this deep dive? Smash that like, subscribe for more on upcoming gems like the Raval, and comment below, would you go Tindaya over a Tesla? Thanks for tuning into AutoVision Hub. Keep the passion alive and catch you next time.